Okay, so why yes? Why you want to buy a new camera, the last camera, M11, M11R, whatever? Why yes? I did a few months ago one video where I was like joking, why you need a new camera if with something like this you have more than enough and it's much cheaper and even maybe more pleasant to use because it's very authentic and the noises it produces, the images are good enough. So I was joking, like saying that good photographers don't need the best cameras or the last cameras. A good photographer always use the camera he have in his hands, the best he can get probably, or the one he feel more comfortable with. But after this video I want to do this one, and it's, as I said, why yes. And it's very simple. Why can be good for you to get a new camera, a modern camera? It's very easy, in my opinion, is because it can inspire you. It can give you back the pleasure of photography. It can excite you, make you go out, take photos. Sometimes it's like with the computers, with all these devices that we have, that we don't really need, at least the last technology. But what happened, at least in my case, is that something new makes me go back to the hobby. So I was editing video for some time with an old computer, it was okay, but I decided to buy a new one, and this new one gave me the excitement that I needed to continue editing and working in my projects. So I think with cameras it's the same. You buy a new camera like M11 and I'm sure it's not gonna stay in the shell waiting for one day that you want to go out. You're gonna take it, you're gonna go out, and I'm sure you're gonna take good photos, and photos from people, from moments, from landscapes that you're gonna be happy owning them and sharing them and working with them probably. So yeah, that's a reason enough, and I think that's the main reason why we renew our equipment, because we renew our passion, our excitement, our desire to use it, because in reality we don't need it. With this it's more than enough. This by the way is a Summicron 50 wonderful lens with this M8, and I'm now in a new honeymoon with this combo. It's like a 65 millimeters, not like a 50. It behaves like this camera, but it's great. You don't have to go close. You can maintain the distance and take photos when people are not aware that you are taking photos. So it's very, very pleasant, very nice, and I love it. But I understand the need sometimes to buy a new camera. And instead of 10 megapixels, have 40 and live this experience of have a huge resolution image and crop, and all this is new, is experience, is life. So yeah, this is all I wanted to say. It's like the other side of the coin from this video I did, where I was a little bit joking and why you need it. And I think the reason is this, that we get new equipment for renew our passion and our pleasure. Nothing more to say, just a short video. When you have a YouTube channel, you start saying things that you need to share, but at the end you end doing videos like this one, who have an idea behind, but that maybe are not necessary. But well, I say hello to whatever is there. I hope you enjoy it, and if you don't mind, subscribe. Thank you.